Hi, and welcome to Zoe the Sassy Dog channel. If you've been following us from the beginning, you already know that Zoe loves laser toys. We had a video, you can scroll back in our past videos, where we were playing with one of those little pen laser toys, and she loved it. But I found something even more amazing. This is an automated laser toy. It's Pet Safe Zoom automated laser toy. You can find it on Amazon, and as usual, you will find in the description of the video the link to the Amazon page where you can get the product if you're interested. It's around $24, and it does laser for your cats or dogs or pets that might enjoy, chasing lasers in automatic, changing the pattern for 15 minutes. So you can maybe wash the dishes and your pet can have some physical activity. We're going to show you how it works. You just need 3 batteries, just regular, You can get those on Amazon too. And then you would just place it on the ground, turn on the button. It has 2 lasers, one here, one there. Please make sure not to look directly at the laser because it's dangerous for the retina of your eye. And you start it.
Day of playing.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you again for watching us. As a reminder, this is the Pet Safe laser toy, and the link to the Amazon page where you can buy it, it's in the description of the video. Follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. It's Zoe the Sassy Dog. We release video twice a week, so come back to the channel for some more fun and hopefully helpful content. Thank you guys, have a good day.
Say bye.